In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the total sum in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a budget, tracking expenses, or simply crunching numbers for your latest project, mastering the sum function will surely make your life easier. Let's dive right in and see how this simple yet incredibly efficient tool works. First, open up your Google Sheets document and navigate to the cell where you want the total sum to appear. It's often practical to place this cell at the bottom of your data column, but feel free to choose any position that suits your layout best. Now, we're going to start by typing in the sum function. To do this, simply click on the chosen cell and type the equal sign followed by sum and an open parenthesis. It should look like this, each sum. This is the part where the magic starts to happen. Once you've entered the sum function, it's time to tell Google Sheets exactly what you want to sum up. Click on the first cell in the range of numbers you're interested in. Hold down your mouse button or trackpad and drag it down or across to select all the cells you want included in your calculation. As you drag, you should see a border forming around your selected cells. This visual cue ensures that you've got precisely the right range highlighted. Upon releasing your mouse button or trackpad, you'll see that Google Sheets automatically fills in the cell references inside the parentheses of your sum function. This is its way of understanding which cells you want to add together. Once you're satisfied with your selection, simply press the Enter key. Instantly, you should see the total sum appear in your chosen cell. It's that simple. This result represents the sum of all the values you highlighted in your range, conveniently calculated with just a few clicks. One additional benefit of using the sum function in Google Sheets is its dynamic updating feature. Should you need to make adjustments to any of the values within your selected range, you'll notice that the total updates automatically. This real-time recalculation ensures your sum remains accurate, even when your data changes. It's an incredibly handy feature for data that's frequently updated. So there you have it, a quick and easy way to calculate a total sum in Google Sheets using the powerful sum function. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try summing different sets and ranges of data until you feel confident. With your newfound skills in using the sum function, you can streamline your data management tasks and enhance your productivity. Thank you for following along, and happy calculating.